Do, does, or did. These little words confuse so many English learners, but today we'll make them crystal clear. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly when to use do, does, and did in questions, negatives, and everyday sentences. Welcome to Medical Professor, your home for simple and clear English lessons. If you want to speak English confidently, you are in the right place. Let's get started. Do, does, and did are small but powerful words in English. They help us make questions, negatives, and emphasize ideas. But many learners get confused about when to use each one. Don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how and when to use them. Let's start with do. We use do in the present tense with the subjects I, you, we, and they. For example, I do my homework every day. They do yoga in the morning. And notice, do is also used when we ask questions. Do you like coffee? Here's a simple way to remember. If the subject is I, you, we, or they, and you are talking about something in the present, use do. Now let's talk about does. We use does in the present tense with the subject he, she, and it. For example, she does her homework in the evening. He does his job very well. Does it work properly? Here's an important tip. When you use does, the main verb stays in its base form. You do not add s to the verb because does already carries the meaning. For example, we do not say she does plays football. The correct way is she does play football. So remember, he, she, it, use does and keep the main verb simple. Now let's move on to did. This one is simple because did is the past tense form of do. The best part, you can use did with all subjects I, you, he, she, it, we, they. For example, I did my homework yesterday. Did they go to school? He did a great job last week. After did, always use base form of the verb. No s, es, or ed. For example, he did go home. Now let's see how we use do, does, and did in questions. The structure is always the same. Do, does, did, plus subject, plus base verb. For example, do you play football? Does she speak English? Did they watch the movie? Notice that after do, does, or did, the verb stays in its base form. We don't say, does she speaks English? We say, does she speak English? Always remember, just move do, does, or did to the beginning of the sentence to make a question. Easy, right? Now, let's look at how to make negative sentences with do, does, and did. It's very simple. Just add not after them. For example, I do not like tea. She does not play tennis. They did not go to the party. Here's the important rule. After don't, does not, or did not, the verb always stays in its base form. For example, she does not play tennis. They did not go to the party. Just remember, once you use do, does, did in the negative sentences, the main verb does not change. Okay, now let's talk about some very common mistakes learners make with do, does, and did. Don't worry, we'll fix them together. Number 1, he don't like pizza. It is an incorrect sentence. The correct sentence is he does not like pizza. Why? Because with he, she, it, we must use does not. Did he went to school? It's wrong. The correct sentence is did you go to school? Remember, after did, the verb stays in the base form. So we say go, not went. Number 3, she does goes to work. It is also a wrong sentence. The correct sentence is she does go to work. Again, after does, the verb stays in the base form. So just go, not goes. Whenever you use do, does, or did, the main verb never changes. It always stays in its simplest form. Now it's your turn to practice. Don't just watch. Say the answers out loud with me. Speaking helps you remember much faster. Pause the video, think of your answer, and then check with me. This way, you are actively practicing instead of just listening. Let's try a few together. Do you like chocolate? Possible answers are yes, I do, or no, I don't. Does he play football? The possible answers are yes, he does, or no, he does not. Did they watch TV yesterday? Possible answers are yes, they did, or no, they did not. Okay, friends, let's quickly recap what we learned today so you don't forget. Do we use with I, you, we, they in the present tense? Does we use with he, she, it in the present tense? Did works with everyone in the past tense. If you keep these three rules in mind, your English will sound much clearer, more natural, and more confident. And before you go, if this lesson helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel for more English lessons, and write your own sentences with do, does, and did in the comments. I love to see you practice.